Yes, hello everyone, welcome to the next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode guys, I'm gonna actually show you how to enter the boot menu for this 8 Dell laptop. In the description section of the video will be definitely giving you the model number. So presently I'm actually in the boot menu screen, so I'm gonna show you how to actually get into it. Now you need to power off your laptop. Once it is powered off, then I'm going to attempt to power it on. Once you would have pressed the power button, then you just continuously pressing down on the F12 key on the keyboard to get at this boot menu screen. Right, so powered off, so it is now powering up back. So just continue pressing down on the F12 key and it will take you to this screen, which is called the boot menu. So in this screen or on this screen, you can definitely choose the booting device, which device you want to boot first whenever the laptop is powered up, and of course other settings that related to the functionality of this Dell Latitude laptop. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember to click on the subscription button. Of course, leave your comments in the comment section of the video and share the video. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.